Hey, what's up? I'm chriswilmshurst, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Zendure Supertank. This is going to be a very short video as there's only so much you can say about a product like this. I've had it since May when Zendure kindly sent it out to me after I requested one for a few videos. And I'll be honest, it's been absolutely essential for my day-to-day work. This power bank has 100 watts output and a massive 27,000 mAh capacity. It has 4 ports, a 15 watt USB, an 18 watt USB, 60 watt USB-C, and a massive 100 watt USB-C. There's this display on the front which lets you know how much capacity is remaining at any time, and you can check this by simply pushing the button on the top. And when you push this button twice, it puts the Supertank into a low charge mode, which is perfect for all your wearable devices like the Apple Watch, Fitbit bands, AirPods, and more. Charging this thing couldn't be any easier. My old battery bank from another brand required 2 micro USB cables, and it would take around 10 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. With this, I can plug in my 16-inch MacBook Pro charger and it will be fully charged in a little under 2 hours. That's incredible considering this thing lives in my camera bag half the time and really saves the day on various occasions. It's also cool looking, not too big, and it reminds me of a suitcase, which is kind of apparent as this is advertised as the biggest battery bank you can take with you on a plane. Currently, it's living in my camera bag a lot, and when I'm out filming multiple shoots a day, my gear runs out of batteries fast, especially the LED lights. And this little bank charges all of those while I'm in between shoots and leaves plenty of charge to spare. On rare occasions, I've used it to top up my MacBook Pro as it outputs 100 watts. So there's no power draw when working on intense tasks like video editing or photo editing. Now I will state, it's not cheap, it's around £150, and ultimately that's a lot of money to many people. But despite me getting this for free, I would go out and buy another if I ever lost this, or there was a freak accident and I broke it somehow, because the sheer convenience and value this brings to my workday really justifies the price for me. So thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing and leaving a comment if you've made it this far. I'll drop a couple of Amazon links below to the Supertank for you to check out. And while you're here, please consider checking out some more of my content, and most importantly, take care.